Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, where have you been, darling? You're welcome to Sally Talks, aka.prestige, where we get to talk about everything that evolves around lifestyle, faith, relationship, faith, marriage, courtship, beauty, fashion, health, name it, whatever thing that you know that evolves around lifestyle. We're discussing all of those stuffs over here on this channel. So if you're new here, you're welcome. I want to say thank you to my returning subscribers. Thank you for seeing this video. If you're seeing it, thank you. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my fried rice. Hey. Yes, I want to show us how I make my fried rice. So if you're interested to see how Sally made her fried rice, then don't go nowhere. You need to see this video till the end. Let's go. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you with us how I was able to achieve my fried rice with just 1,000 naira. Just 1,000 naira. First I had to buy my rice, 2 cups of rice that cost me 200 naira. I bought carrot for 100 naira. I bought onions for 50 naira. Though I didn't use all of the onions and all of the carrot. And I bought green pepper 100 naira. I used all. I bought green peas 200. I bought garlic and ginger for 50 naira. Then I bought vegetable oil for 200 naira. And I didn't use all of the vegetable oil. And also I used Maggi that I bought for 50 naira. So everything in total was almost 1,000 naira, guys. Just check the calculation. So let's jump right into today's cook. Then if I made it a little bit hot, then I just added my vegetable oil. Then added some onions, some chopped onions, to give it a taste. So my rice that has been washed already, washed and drained, I just put it inside the oil and I'll just stir in order for it to be fried. I like it fried. So guys, yes, so as you can see, I'm just stirring it. You see it's fried. You see it looking more slim and all of that. Yeah, so I'll be adding my condiments into the rice. Before I add my water, I was just checking to see if the rice is properly done. So I'll just add my curry, 1.5 spoon of curry, and then my thyme. Then I'll just stir. Okay. Yep. So I just stir it together. You see the rice will have a good yellowish color. So it's ready now. I'll just add my stock into the rice. The rice is properly fried. As you could see, the color has changed. So I just add my stock. Like, it's optional. If you don't want yours to be as yellowish as mine, then it's fine. So all I'll just do, I just add 2 cups of water. This is the first cup I'm adding, and I'll just stir. Just add a 2nd cup of water, and I'll stir. Then a pinch of salt to taste. Then I'll sprinkle cube of Maggi into it. And guys, we're done. Just allow it cook a bit, guys. See, it's cooking. The heat, the pressure is on. Come on, guys. So I'll just stir to check how far the rice has been. See, it's almost cooked. It's almost ready. So I'll stir it. I'll cover it. Wow, it's looking. Oh, I forgot to add my garlic and ginger. I love garlic and ginger, so those are grated garlic and ginger. I just added into the rice. So I'll just cover it, allow it to heat up for it to blend properly into the rice. It's boiling, so I'll just turn on the gas on the other side so I could transfer the rice to the other side of the gas cooker so I could start frying the other stuffs that I'll be needing for the fried rice. So guys, this is my frying pan. I just sprinkle a little bit of oil. Yeah, that's okay, babe. A little bit of oil. Pour my onions. add my green beans. And guys, the green beans was actually soaked for like 5 to 10 minutes with hot water first. So guys, yes, that's why you saw me frying it. Like, it's already soaked for like 5 minutes with hot water. So that's why I'm frying it. So you could see it's looking, I don't like pouring mine together with the rice. I like frying it when the rice is almost ready. I'll just fry all my veggies, then I'll add it into the rice. So I'm adding my carrots. It's looking nice. I'll just stir it together. It's optional. Any way you feel you want to do your rice, your fried rice is fine. Just adding my green pepper, my red chili into the carrot, the green beans, and the onions have been frying. So all I'll just do is I'm gonna stir it, allow it to fry for like 3 to 5 minutes in order to make it cooked a bit properly. You get, like, so that it doesn't get overcooked, but that perfect kind of cooking, you know, like you just stir fry it. You get. So that's what I'm doing over here. Just then wow, you could see how nice it's looking. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'll just sprinkle some curry a bit. You get some curry, and you could sprinkle some Maggi. Yeah, like half cube of Maggi. That was what I sprinkled there. Yep. Our fried rice is coming up. I'll just stir it, like I'm just stirring it to make sure that the spices I added blends well. So just fry it for maximum 5 to 6 minutes. As long as it's not, you're not cooking something much, like you're not cooking for a community. It's just maybe you and a couple of friends, or just your immediate family. You know, just fry for like 5 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes, and you're done. Okay, so it's cooked. I've turned off the fire. I'll just allow it to cool down. You could see it's looking nice. Also, our rice, I turned the fire off. I had to swap it to the other side. So the rice is cooked, the water is dry, guys. So I'll just pour in my veggies that I fried into the cooked rice. I just pour it. You can then I'll just mix it together gently. So mixing it, I'll just turn on the fire. I just covered it now. So I'll just turn on the fire for let's say 2 minutes or 3 minutes, so the veggies could settle down into the rice properly, and the rice is ready to be cooked. It's ready to be dished. So it's properly dried. If all the ingredients are synced in, I'll just turn off my gas, and the rice is ready.